Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 20, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. Now to get started, all you will need to do is simply pull down your notifications. It looks like toggles, more precisely, because they're located specifically on the right side of the screen. So once you do a swipe down from here, you will get all the toggles right here, and we're looking for a screen recorder, which for me is right here, literally the last toggle. Now hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Once you do, simply tap on it, and from there you have a couple settings to choose from. We have record device sound, so we have record sound effective from multiple games and etc. Then we have separate for record microphone. Obviously, if you don't want to record any sound, just disable both of them. And last is record touches on the screen. This will record a semi-transparent gray dot on the screen wherever you are pressing the display. It's just basically simulating your finger touch on the display, so it's visible later on when it's being watched back. And obviously there is a toggle which is checked on by default to not ask again. If you're planning to change some of those settings later on, maybe you want to record microphone later on, you might want to check that off instead. But from there, select start. And as you can see, there was a countdown. Afterwards, it starts recording. So whatever I'll do right now, obviously, will be recorded by the device. So from here, let's just open up some kind of application, whatever that is. Can close that off, I guess. And once you're done recording, simply tap on the little overlay right here. This will automatically stop it and save the screen recording into your Photos application or gallery, however it's called right here. It's Photos. So open it up just so I can show you that quickly. Now it looks like the screen recording isn't visible in the Photos category where you would normally see like everything. So instead you will need to navigate into Library, and from there you have Screen Record, and you can see it right over here. And it's already playing. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.